Welcome back to a new tutorial inside SOLIDWORKS simulation. Today I am going to show you how can you just deal with the pressure vessels, okay? Because most of the pressure vessels are going to design to carry out the internal pressures, okay? And pressure vessels, most probably you already know what pressure vessels are, okay? So actually it carries internal pressure, and it is going to design for a certain limitations of pressure, okay? If you exceed that limit, what would happen? The pressure vessel is going to crash down, okay? So if you go for the deform result, okay, so after applying certain pressure, that would be the internal pressure, you will get a result like this. So to simulate this, let's click on the displacement behavior. If you want to go for stress analysis, see. So let's try out to understand this phenomena, okay? Go for new study, choose static one, apply certain material, apply and close it, fix geometry. From here you want to fix this pressure vessel. Let me choose these faces. Actually these are the supports, okay, right? Next you're going to apply certain pressure, and to go for the pressure, what to do, let me create a cross section like this and go for the pressure on this face, and this face, okay? So actually it is a closed vessel. You will always have the longitudinal stress, okay? Hoop stress, tangential stresses, each and everything you will have, and apply a certain amount of pressure, okay? Let's say perpendicular, so now I need to reverse the direction and say okay, see, and run this study. So this is how you can get the deform result, okay? If you go for the animation, see, slow down the animation, see, and if you go for displacement and animate, you will get a result like this. So now I hope you were able to choose any pressure vessel, okay? Choose the material, create a cross section, or even you should know the other ways, okay, how to apply internal pressure, okay, without creating the cross section. And after that you have to just run that study, how the behavior would be, okay? So after this tutorial, I'm going to just start up on the beam analysis, okay, shear force and bending moment diagrams. So I hope you like it and you got something important from this video. So this is enough for today. See you in next tutorial. Keep connected.